My name is Clemmy Hughes. It's my pleasure to be your first officer this afternoon. I'm joined in the flight deck by Captain Russell Seeger, and looking after you in the back, you've got a wonderful team of 4 today, led by your in-flight lead, Aiko. Thank you for boarding so nice and promptly for us. We're all ready to go up at the front. Pleased to say all the bags have been loaded and we're just attaching the pushback truck now. We do have an air traffic control restriction to leave Gibraltar today, just due to some air traffic restrictions over Europe. At the moment it means worst case scenario, we will be sitting here for a further 30 minutes before we can push back and depart. Taxiing out and departing off the easterly facing runway. Climbing straight ahead and then making a left turn up over Malaga. Climbing up to a cruising altitude today of 34,000 feet. We are expecting generally smooth flying conditions en route, so when it's safe to do so, we'll switch the seatbelt signs off. But as always, we do recommend whenever you are sat down that you do keep your seatbelt fastened, just in case there's any unexpected turbulence at all. And if we do put the belts on at all, please do respect the signs and return to your seats. Once we get underway, flight time will be about 2 hours and 25 minutes. I'll be doing the flying, so I'll get back to you in the cruise bit later with an updated time of arrival and the weather in London. In the meantime though, cabin crew will shortly start a safety demonstration, and this is for your safety and the safety of those around you, so please give this your full attention. Thank you very much, welcome on board, and like I say, we should be on stand for a further 25 to 30 minutes before pushing back. We have given them the go-ahead that we are ready, so it could improve, but worst case scenario, about 25 minutes. Thank you.
Devices should have the flight safe mode feature enabled now, and the handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be stowed safely for takeoff and landing. Please unplug your device from the power sockets for takeoff and landing. They must also be unplugged when they aren't being used in flight.
Cabin crew, take seat for takeoff. So it should be around about 10 past 5 for your watches. It looks a very short taxi in to our anticipated stand. Just got the latest weather for you. It's a very beautiful day there. Very light winds, clear skies, temperature of 12 degrees. If there's any change to any of that, we'll let you know, but on the ground in just over 15 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you, cabin crew. Take seat for landing. Welcome to London Heathrow. The time here is 8 minutes past 5 in the evening. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to do so, please take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out, causing injury. You may now make and receive calls, as well as use all data services on your handheld electric devices. Before you leave us today, please check that you have all your personal belongings, including anything you may have placed in the seat area during the flight. If your journey ends here at Heathrow, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. If you're connecting onto another flight from Heathrow today, please check the information screens for your departing gate number. If this is not yet displayed, please follow the purple signs for flight connections. If you require any assistance here at Heathrow, please speak to our colleagues who will be happy to help. For those customers who have ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated until our lunch queue is clear and our crew will be on hand to assist you. As we will be using steps to disembark the aircraft today, please take care and use the handrails provided. Once on the ground, please follow the direction of our ground colleagues who will direct you on the bus that will take you to the terminal buildings. On behalf of all of us on board and British Airways, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to see you again very soon. Thank you and a very good evening to you all.